My little project for today is to put these safety chains on my flatbed utility trailer. Did have safety chains on it, but the way they were mounted, they were just the hooks were just welded on and they broke off. Not too good a system. I'm going to drill a hole down through the top of the coupler, bolt them up from the underneath side. So we'll get to that here in just a minute. Time for a new battery. Alright, got my new battery. Those step drills are great. Almost big enough. Good. Pretty simple, just put the bolt down through the hole. A little cramped to get up into in there. Alright, we got it all mounted in. That ain't gonna work like that. Alright folks, here's why we have trial and error. This is not going to work the way I want to. The bolt can't set flush because of the trailer frame. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put some holes right down here in the frame and just bolt it on each side there. I'm sure your projects always go as planned. Seems like mine you gotta back up and regroup every once in a while. And we'll drill it out with a step bit. Perfect. Move to the other side. Okay, good. Now we'll go get a grinder cut this chain into. Perfect. Perfect. Now we'll go to the other side. All right, folks, there's the safety chains. Well, hey, thanks for helping out with this little project here on Agate Hill. Hey, if you like the content, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I answer each and every one of them. I'm not too big for that yet, but thanks for helping out again. Stop back by and see us again here at Agate Hill, and God bless.